Model, 66-plate Citroen Dispatch BlueHDi 120S and S6-spd M1400 End Plus body, white, panel van mileage, 127454 MOT, the 20th of May 2025 engine, 1997 cc DW10 FEA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Head gasket is pressurizing and will need replacing. Nice easy fix for someone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and has virtually no blemishes. The rear load area has hardly been used and has loads of life left in it. The cab of this van is in great condition as well, and on the whole, with only a little TLC, this van would make a great addition to any business. Features: 2 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap retail, £6,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.